Kumba Sinyan, who was accused of killing her alleged boyfriend Momodou Lamarana Jallow at Friendship Hotel in Bakau on or before the 14th of September 2022, appeared in court today, the 26th of January 2023. The state prosecution witness, who was late for the last hearing but came later after the case was adjourned, gave his testimony today at the High Court before the presiding judge Sidike Jobate. Alledge Sonko, a resident of Bursubi, testifies on behalf of the state regarding Kumba Sinyan's murder trial. According to him, he knew Kumba from the late Lamarana Jallow, who happens to live with him in the same house at Bursubi. He went further to say Kumba and Lama were in a love relationship for about 4 years, and normally Kumba used to come visiting. He then recalled an incident that happened before Lama's death, and he said, and I quote, "One day Kumba came visiting. I was lying in the sitting room. Kumba and Lama are at the bedroom. Then suddenly I heard a noise. It's like they were quarreling or fighting. So I got up to check on them. I found Lama holding her hands so tight while she was sitting on a chair. I asked Lama to leave her. Then Lama said to me, if I leave her, she would wound me. She is holding a piece of broken bottle. I also came and held the accused's hand and trying to take the piece of bottle from her, and I also pushed her out of the house. By then, Lama has already went out, and the neighbors in the compound came out after hearing the push and pull. Then Sally, who is like a mother to Lama, came out to calm the situation and took Lama to her house to talk to him. I also took Kumba to our house to calm the tension. As I was sitting with Kumba in our room, she got up again and ran towards Sally's house to attack Lama with the piece of broken bottle in her hands. I followed her to separate them. I managed to separate them, but Lama got injured during the process. When she left, I accompanied Lama to AfriMed Hospital for his wounds to be treated and also got some medications. Another incident happened between the two before Lama's demise. This particular day, Lama went for partying around Senegambia area and came in. After a while, around 2 a.m., I was already on bed. The accused, Kumba Sinyan, came to the house requesting Lama to open the door for him at that time of the night, but Lama refused. She stood there and was knocking and calling Lama to open the door, but Lama still insisted that he wouldn't open the door for her. She then came to the window where I was lying down, sleeping at the bedroom, and called me to open the door for her.